Hey guys, Ryan the Fan Guy here. Here we have a Casablanca style ceiling fan. I'm doing another video of this fan because I updated the speeds, obviously. Like, speed 2 is now like regular speed 2 rather than speed 1 number 2. So anyways, I'm going to get straight to the demo, and here's demo mode. That's it for demo mode. Light. Go all the way, go up to speed 2. You know speed 1's the same, so. P3, which is the same. Right? Obviously the Valor Halo does do a deer, female deer. And these fans were in the background of doe deer, female deer, but all of that's before I added the Victorian, the New Orleans, the other Victorian, 19th century, Saturn, Novell, and 2nd century. Well, the Saturn right here looks like, well, the Saturn right here is actually originally upstairs, but the blades on it got changed for Saturn blades. Now there's a Casablanca bead up there. 5. Light off. There's people in my dorm who are annoying. There's other 2 quads in my dorm. But at least I'm in a quad with my friends, though. I stick in my quad usually. Beat 6. I'll think about doing reverse, but I'm not sure if I want to yet since I don't have that much time. I have like till like 8 o'clock. And I was so busy turning all the fans on here. It's just like in my basement, I turned the 4 Seasons on in the background. The 4 Seasons 3 on the background, but just like here, I turn all the other fans on. Here, so the fans I still need to update the speeds on are the Bel Air, the Victorian, because that obviously looks more like Speed 4, and the Victorian 2, that looks more like Speed 4. And it stopped. We'll do reverse speeds quickly. I don't want to go to speed 2 already. The Bel Air is way too fast. Three. Oops, that's the Bel Air. Me, a name I call myself. P4. and 6. Reverse, back, forward, and close up shot. Anyways, that is it. That is the Casablanca style ceiling fan. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, and subscribe.